speedway design here. It's a 8 color spot process with our underbase. A little bit of puff paint. Starting off with round 1. First round's going to be the underbase. Last is going to be hitting the paint. We got a flesh cone going over the face, so kind of like a underbase with a detail to pop on next. Now we got that base color candle, and adding 2 different shades of brown, one for the detail of the face and make that hair pop. We have 2 different top whites. One's just going to be an outline around his shirt and his hat, and then after that's going to be a pop paint for the Fine Southern Gentleman logo in the hat. We always PFP our puff just to make sure it gets as bright as possible. So we're going to get 1 more round in that white to make sure that's popping. Then we have a final signature in turquoise that's also puffed, so that's going to get PFP too. Puff starts to activate after the first time it hits the flash. It'll pop up a little bit, not enough to disperse the image enough so it can't place another layer. So we do 2 to make sure it really pops up. Yeah, once it goes to the dryer, the knife speed's going to pop a lot more. It's really important to have the pallets hot if you're doing a puff job too, because this is going around so much, so thankfully my pallet's really getting up. If I were to do just puffing, I would need to really heat up my pallet so it's really hot and get the biggest puff result. Got the fine layer of turquoise going on right there. So it's going to get PFP'd also. This job, I believe it's 8, let me double check it. Yeah, it's 8 rounds. So we're dealing with a big underbase and big top layers of color. You gotta let those do their thing with the 1 full round. So those really only make it worth it. A few colors split our way.
Why do we have to make so many rounds? Just not enough room on the press for a second flash?
Not enough room on the press for a second flash, 1. 2, if I do that underbase, I gotta go around flash. And then that's such a big layer of paint. If I were to do another color on there, it's going to build up. It's going to start picking up, and you're not going to get that paint to pop as much. And that's the same with the base color of his face. It's such a big layer of tan going on like an underbase. If you're going to hit another color on that, you're going to lose all the detail, and that tan's going to pick up throughout the run. So you got to flash those. And then we do the 2 different colors of brown. We do those wet and wet. Those can make well, it's not too big, just have a little bit of detail in there.